ladies and gentlemen, candidate number 1 coming from Texas, Beanie Aya! Aya, please stay right here in the middle. Yes? Dito sa gitna. Are you ready for your question? Okay. Okay, your question is...
So, Aya, your question is from Jan Michael S. Ibo. Welcome home, our walo. Ano sa mga lugar na napuntahan nyo ang balak nyong balikan nang magkakasama kayo?
Thank you for the question. Of all the places that we've been to, of course, it would be nice to go back to all of the places, cities or states. But for me personally, I would want to go back to Vancouver because that's where I get to run, and knowing that that's my love language, and I would want to give that to the girls. And hopefully, they would join me in running.
Wow! Pasado ba sagot, Milo?
Pasado yan. Pasado sa ating mga judges, narinig na natin, pasado ang kanyang sagot.
Yes.
There we go. Thank you. Hopefully for the next Beanie Run, lahat ng girls natin mag 21K. Sabi ni ko na mukha mo. Maraming sa. Give it up for our candidate number 1, Beanie Aya. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Candidate, tawagin naman natin si Beanie Mika. Ako, napakahirap nito. From Jeremy Velasquez, syempre may mga na-try kayo new food abroad. Meron ba sa isip mo na talagang hindi mo na siya makalimutan at iniisip mo siya nang paulit yung nakain mo yun?
For me, actually, I really can't stop thinking about that meaty, juicy Wagyu beef that was $80 and ribs and chips and I thank you.
Wow! Pasado.
Pasado, kaya hindi rin siguro nakalimutan kasi $80. Paulit-ulit na iniisip. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Give it up for Beanie Mika. Ito, tawagin naman natin one half of our couple. Let's go then, Beanie Gwen!
Oh my gosh!
Ready, ah? Teka na, may nagre-rehearse sa likod. Nag-rehearse. Oo, may naghahanda. Grabe. Okay, pero thank you so much for that beautiful walk, Gwen.
Thank you.
Gwen, do you feel any pressure right now?
I don't feel any pressure right now. Zero pressure.
Beautiful answer. Okay, Beanie Gwen, your question is this.
From Nicola Ruth Madreo Papera. Can you share a behind-the-scenes story from the tour that us Blooms would be surprised to hear?
Oh,
Naglabi na ba to?
let me think. Okay, so minsan sa mga arena, kasi after ng concert, doon kami na niligo sa arena. And minsan, hindi ganun karami yung shower room. So, minsan yung girls, yung sa kama na sila.
Doon ka nakabakam na nila.
Alam niyo na, minsan nagsasabay-sabay kami maligo. Kasi nga pero okay lang yan. Pero hindi minsan, lahat buong tour namin. Binibili mo nga eh. Pero minsan, sabihin ko, hindi sa kasama. Alam ka, kasi si Gwen, next world tour. These are holy goods. Only my hands. Okay na daw yun.
Ano, bakit kasi mas masaya na siya sa $80 tip niya. Okay na, maraming salamat.
Thank you so much.
Really good!
Next candidate.
Ito, kanina pa nag-rehearse ito. Kanina pa nag-rehearse. Our next candidate, Beanie Joanna!
Grabe ka naman, Masters.
Grabe si Master, pinapa-wait tayo bago.
Oy!
Pero as question na to, hindi na ito makakapag-antay.
Oo.
From Regina Shane, Santa Cruz. If you could go back the day one of your debut and whisper something to yourself, what would it be?
Whisper it, whisper it.
Ang ganda ng tanong.
Whisper. Hi, Joanna. Keep your pure heart, your feet grounded, and you're stronger than you think. At mag-art workshop ka, please. Magpatulong ka mag-drawing. Kasi magaling naman mag-drawing yung papa mo si Tito Boy. At magaling yung mag-drawing, di ko alam ba't di mo nakuha. Pero yun. Thank you. Hi, Daddy. I love you.
Thank you so much.
Galing naman.
Talk about throwing, so and
Beanie
also
Joanna.
arts right now.
Kasi pag nag-drawing pa ako, naninigas talaga yung daliri ko.
But you know what? It's okay. Alam mo bakit? Kasi nung nabuo itong grupong ito, it is a masterpiece. Already. Maraming salamat, Master. Thank you. Panabahan mo natin, Beanie Joanna. Again, reminder to our Beanie Pasalubong winners sa mga napili po ng randomizer again, please proceed to the photo lobby and look for our staff na may hawak na placard na Lucky Blue winners later on. Now, let's go to Beanie Malone!
I need an interpreter, please.
Interpreter. Look at me, our interpreter.
Randomizer?
Nag-randomizer. Okay, are you ready for your question, Beanie Malone?
I'm born ready.
Okay, she's born ready.
So, Maloy, your question is from Georgette Portus. In an alternate universe, let's say you're not part of Beanie, but rather a bloom. What kind of bloom will you be, and will you show your love and support to Beanie?
If I am in an alternate universe, I think I will be a kind of bloom that has a kind heart, and itatrato ko yung Beanie as humans. That's it, and thank you!
That's very beautiful. Thank you so much. Thank you. Grabe that was a heartwarming answer. Maloy, thank you. Eto na. Another half of Makulit. Beanie, give it up for Beanie Colette!
Nakamadali lang itong question na ito. From Jose Maria Christian Dairy, what's an activity that you were only able to do on your Beanie Bus that you weren't able to do normally?
Wait. Aside sa mag-sort kami ng gifts, kasi sa sikat na bus namin, matulog kami ng straight 12 hours. Yeah, walang alarm, hindi kami ginigising. Gigisingin lang kami, nasa venue na kami. Yeah, so, guys, nalilito ko, hindi na ako makapagsalita eh, nandiyan ko pa. Pero yun, makatulog kami ng 12 hours, like legit 12 hours. Dire-diretso.
Pagulog ng 12 minutes, di ba diretso?
Kahit umalog yung bus, wala kami nararamdaman.
Grabe. And actually, I was telling the production, Direk Lauren and the girls, yung mga nakakagawa niyan, yung mga pop stars, superstars sa US.
Mas big stars lang katulad ng Bini.
Yes, we are our superstars right here.
Star ba na kayo, star?
No, never. Especially to us blooms. Definitely, we got our superstars right here on the stage. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Tulong is life.
Thank you. Oh, ito na. Nag-aanda na siya. Lokin na natin. Our next candidate, Bini Sheena. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Sheena, kaya ba ba?
Sabi ko, paharap na.
Maharap lang.
Ang ganda nun.
Nag-world tour kayo eh. So kailangan may world
Excited
tour
entrance.
Yes.
Okay, Sheena, are you ready for your question?
Yes!
Okay, your question.
From Jana Narido. Out of all the songs that you performed during the world tour, what was your most favorite and why?
My favorite song to perform is Pantropico. Pantropico is my baby. And yun na kasi yung last song. So sa Pantropico, sobrang full out na namin. Pantropico.
Okay, nakikinig kami. Akala ko may ibang sabihin.
Yes, yun lang. And ang Pantropico, sobrang sarap ng sayawan. Yan yung world tour kasi iba yung phone niya sa ibang part. So it's something new. Thank you!
Thank you. Actually, grabe yung mga performance mo sa bawat paghataw mo, binibigay mo ng buong. Maraming salamat, Sheena. Thank you so much, our candidate, Bini Sheena.
Sheena.
And last but not least, Stafford fans, sumigaw para sa ating main candidate, Bini Stacy! Yung wala hanggang dulo. Dinerecho eh. Bini Stacy, yes?
Aray mo nga rin natuloy naman. Ito na, from Jessie Marie Infantry, Shaggy became talaga favorite of course during sa tour ninyo. What is the inspiration na gawin itong playful vibe and how did international audiences react to it?
Thank you so much, Mama Amelia, for that wonderful question. Of course, we're very honored and grateful to be able to represent Filipino culture around the world. And it makes us super happy because, you know, Shaggy is not just a song or a game. It is something to be proud of. And we're this song allows us to share the beauty of the game. You know, shaggy shapopo. Basta ako sa'yo kung di mo kaya to, sisimplihan ko ba para makagaya ka? Basta pag-singin mo na rin susundan na, pero bet you can't dance like this.
Grabe, no?
Very emotional.
Emotional talaga. Grabe. Palakpakan po natin our OT8. And that concludes our Miss Bini First.
Grabe.
2025, I think that could be a title of a new pageant. Palakpakan po natin. Bini, thank you so much for being so generous. Especially with your pasalubongs. Big reminder sa lahat ng mga pasalubong winners po natin sa mga napili ng randomizer. Again, just proceed to the Coral Lobby and look for our staff sa may hawak na placard and Lucky Blue for winners. ang dami pa nating nalalaman or ang dami pa nating nalaman about Bini dahil sa mga katanungan niyo. Maraming salamat yan. It is much appreciated. But I'm sure excited na ulit kayo makita sila i-perform for the first time ang one of their songs from their EP, Biniverse. Blooms, are